In this demo, I'll walk you through how you can automate the document creation. Click on Quick Find menu and search for flows. Open Flows and create a new flow, choosing the Record Triggered Flow option. You may continue with either Freeform or Auto Layout, depending on your preference. Freeform and Auto Layout are two design modes in flows. Freeform offers manual, flexible control over element placement, while Auto Layout automatically organizes elements in a clean, structured format. Next, select the object that will trigger this automation. Here I'll be choosing Contact and configure the flow to run when a record is created or updated. Under Condition Requirements, select when all conditions are met and add a condition where last name is not equal to blank. Confirm to proceed. Now, let's add the document generation action. Drag an action element onto the canvas and search for async document generate solution at check_docmerge. Assign a clear label to this action. In the document solution ID field, enter the solution ID from your document configuration page. Then, for the record ID, select $record arrow contact ID so the document is associated with the correct record. Once the configuration is complete, connect the action within the flow and click on Save. Now fill the details like flow label and flow API name. Then save and activate. To test the automation, open any contact record and update the last name. The document will now be generated automatically and will appear in notes and attachments for that contact. Thanks for watching.